Hi, this is Avraham with Reconvert. Today, we're going to learn how to utilize the new product category condition to enhance your upsell and cross-sell strategies. This feature will allow you to target specific categories or exclude specific categories with the widgets that you're going to show your customers. So it will enable more precise and personalized offers. So from within the flow builder, go ahead and click Add Condition. You can name the condition whichever you like. I've gone ahead and called this category condition. From the drop-down menu within the condition, we're going to select product category. You now need to determine whether this condition will trigger when at least one product in the cart is from the selected category, or whether every product in the cart needs to be from the selected category. For the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to go ahead and use at least one product in the cart. We now need to determine whether this is a positive or a negative condition. We can choose that if at least one product in the cart is in a category from the list, then our desired widget will show. Or we can select if the product in the cart or the products in the cart are not from a category from the list, then we can decide to show the widgets that will be in our slot there and then. We're going to go ahead and select is in the category from the list. You now need to determine the category itself. Click Search for Product Categories, and then select the categories you want to include or exclude from the condition. So we're going to include Cat 1 and Cat 2 that we've selected here, and therefore, if one or more of the products in the merchant's cart are part of Category 1 or Category 2, then this will trigger this condition. We can see that that's appeared here. Go ahead and click Save. You'll see the condition has been added to the conditions list at the top, and you can determine whether this is on or off, depending on your requirements. And then you can go ahead and click Add Widgets as you require when this condition is triggered. Thank you for watching. And if this article did not solve your issue or you need further support, please don't hesitate to reach out to our 24/7 customer care team, where you can just click the live chat button down here and speak to a real human being whenever you need. Happy reconverting!